So you're gonna remove this piece here and just unscrew these 4 screws here. Okay, so as you can see, you have at least 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts altogether. It's really hard to remove because of the double-sided tape they put here. This double-sided tape really sticking to the car body of the car, so you really have to push it out in order for this thing to get removed. And you got 2 wires for your brake light, and that's pretty much it. So let's put this in. Okay, so the main reason I have problem with my wiper because of the spring of this wiper arm is gone. And this is I'm using right now the drum brake spring as a temporary fix. So this is how I do it. So that's what it looked like. There you go. So now just bolt it back.
If you're not subscribed yet, you might miss out of seeing more of my good videos again, but if you are, congrats, you're on a journey of continuous growth.